How's it going, folks? It's Jeff, IEJUNK.com. I'm out here in the beautiful city of Mentone. I got my buddy here, Steve. Steve, get over here, man. Ricky, where you at?
What's up? I'm right here.
Kind of tell me what happened. Why'd you call
My tree
IEJUNK?
fell down. Did you guys get some of that wind? That was crazy.
I heard you were
crazy.
I heard you were trying to build a tree house.
Jeff right here.
But, hey, we're out here. It's the middle of the night. They needed help, and guess who's here?
Chainsaw broke. Got another one, and it's dark, and who cares?
I got my little chainsaw right there. I'm gonna put it to work, and you know, we're just doing this. So if you had some wind damage out there, give us a call. This is Jeff from IEJUNK.com. I gotta do this. 909-498-4321. You know why?
Mentone.
No, because we're number one.
Oh, you're number one.
No. Take care, folks. Give us a call.
No more building tree houses.
All right, just keep it running, though.
Yeah,
It's gonna be loud.